One of the first rules in entertaining is there's no double dipping. That rule also goes for shopping. Today I'm going to show you how I try not to double dip. I'm going to show you also what I needed in my inventory. The color is red, what I purchased, and how I keep track of what's in my closet so I know what to buy and what not to buy. Stay tuned. Okay, so in dining, the first rule is no double dipping, and I try to keep this rule as well within my spending. So I'm going to show you a brief collection of some items that I picked up, and show you how I keep inventory of what's in my cabinet. So these first items are from Walmart. They are the mainstay placemats. I think they're $1.50 a piece, and this is the brick red color. And the next ones are from Home Goods. These are a pack of four, and these are a reddish, just a plain red color. And I love these mats. They add a pop of color to just a plain table. And let's see, these napkins right here, they're actually towels. I got them from Amazon. It's a pack of 13. They were $12.99 for a pack of 13. I thought that was a good buy. And let's see, the next thing, it was also an Amazon purchase, which are these napkins here to the right. And I also purchased those from Amazon. This is a pack of 6 for $7.99. And back here is a table runner. I popped in Dollar General looking for something else and ran across this. And this was, I believe, $4.99. So I thought that was a great buy just for this pop of red. Down here also is a Dollar General find where these two Dollar General fingertip towels, they each were $1. And excuse me, these napkins I purchased from Home Goods. They were $5.99 for a set of four. They have a little sparkle in them. Not much. I'm not a bling girl, but these have just a little sparkle. And these are from Pier 1, and I purchased 6 of these, and these were $2.95. They are originally $4.95, and these are the aluminum stemless glasses. And then lastly was my Dollar Tree find were these melamine dinner plates with a nice big, I call it a cereal bowl. And I wanted to purchase a red dinnerware set, but wasn't really sure if I wanted it yet. So I just purchased these. So as you can see, this is how I take inventory of my things that I have in the house. I take a picture of it. I put the number of items that I have of those items, and just a brief description of where I purchased it in case I need to purchase more, or if someone asks where I got them from, or if I need to replace, something or whatever. And I take a picture of these items. I keep it on my phone so I know what I have in my selection. So I hope that you enjoyed this brief tutorial of how I don't double dip, or how I try not to double dip. And thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.